Assalamualaikum dear students, I am Israr Ahmed, math teacher, lower secondary section, Qaid Azam Public School, Darsan Chalma. Today we learn class 6 mathematics. Our topic is prime and composite numbers. As you know, students, the prime numbers and composite numbers are both positive numbers. It means that these are all belongs to natural number, set of natural numbers. Then what is the prime number? First of all, we understand what is the prime numbers. The numbers which cannot be exactly divided. The numbers which cannot be exactly divided by any number except one and itself are called prime numbers. Now what is the meaning of exactly divided? एग्जैक्टली डिवाइडेड का मतलब ये होता है कि अगर आप किसी भी नंबर को किसी छोटे उससे छोटे नंबर से आप डिवाइड करते हैं, मिसाल के तौर पर हमारे पास है 4, इसको अगर हम 2 से डिवाइड करते हैं, देन व्हाट विल बी द रिमाइंडर? 2 टू द 4, 4 में से 4 माइनस करेंगे 0 बचेगा. द रिमाइंडर विल बी 0, देन इट मींस द 4 इज डिवाइडेड exactly divided. 4 is exactly divided by 2. If we divided 3 by 2, 2 1s are 2, 3 में से 2 माइनस करेंगे 1, रिमाइंडर 1 आया, इसका मतलब 2 3 is not exactly divided by 2. So it is the meaning of exactly divided. Exactly divided by any number except 1 and itself. यानी वो 1 के साथ डिवाइड हो सकता हो या अपने आप से. यानी अगर हम किसी भी नंबर के, मिसाल के तौर पर कैसे पता चलेगा कि कोई भी नंबर प्राइम नंबर है या कंपोजिट नंबर है, तो हम उसके सेट ऑफ डिवाइजर्स बनाएंगे. वी मेक सेट ऑफ डिवाइजर्स. फॉर एग्जांपल वी हैव 7. अब 7 नाउ 7 जो है एक तो 1 से डिवाइड हो सकता है और दूसरा it is divisible by itself. It is divisible by 1 and 7 only. So the set of divisors is 2. It means it is a prime number. It means we can say that the prime number has 2 elements of set of divisors. If we have more than divisors, more than 2 divisors, then it will be said with composite numbers. Students, these are the example of prime numbers. These are those numbers which are divided exactly divided by 1 and itself only. It means that the set of divisors of 2, 3, 5, 7, 11 are 2. Now come to the composite numbers. What are composite numbers? The numbers whose set of divisors is more than 2. It means those numbers which are exactly divided by more than 2 numbers. Then these numbers are called composite numbers. It means, for example, we have number 8. It is divisible by more than 2 numbers, student. 8 is divisible by 1, also divisible by 2, also divisible by itself. It means 8 is a composite number, students. Also divisible by 4. It means 8 is a composite number. Now we start from 4. 4, it is divisible by 1. It is divisible by 2. It is divisible by 4. 4 ones are 4. It means 4 is a composite number because 4 has more than 2 divisors. It means the composite numbers are start from set of composite number are start from 4. Similarly, 6 is a composite number. It is divisible by 1, it is divisible by 2, it is divisible by 3, it is divisible by itself. Similarly, 8 is a composite number. We have given example. 9 is also composite number. It is divisible by 1, it is divisible by 3, it is divisible by itself. Number 12, 10 also composite number. 12, 14. These are examples of composite numbers, students. Dear students, after completion our topic prime and composite numbers, we have some exercise questions. Exercise 2.1. Question number 1. Statement is find the set of divisors. Find the set of divisors of each of the following numbers and state whether each of them is a prime number or composite number. What is the meaning of this statement? कि हमने सेट ऑफ डिवाइजर हर नंबर का जो हमारे पास ये नंबर दिए हुए हैं 11 है 12 है 13 है 14 है, तो हम इनके सेट ऑफ डिवाइजर्स बनाएं। यानी ये जो नंबर है ये कितने नंबर से डिवाइड हो सकता है उनका सेट बनेगा। अगर हमारे पास इस नंबर का 11 का सेट जो डिवाइजर का सेट है वो मोर देन 2 बनता है तो हम कहेंगे कि इट इज अ कंपोजिट नंबर। इफ वी हैव डिवाइजर इन 2 divisors of 11 then we state that it is a prime number। क्वेश्चन की स्टेटमेंट का मतलब ये है। नाउ वी हैव क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 पार्ट 1 11। we have to check this the 11 is a positive number or composite prime number or composite number। we have set of divisors, set of divisors of 11। we have make heading। now 11 is divided by 1, exactly divided। 11 is exactly divided by 1, we make set in braces। 11 is exactly divisible by 1 and 11 also exactly divisible by itself, except these numbers 11 is not exactly divisible by any number। so the set of divisors of 11 has 2 elements 1 and 11। therefore we state that 11 is a prime number। question number part 2, question number 1 part 2, we have number 12 and we have to check this composite number or prime number। so set of divisors of 12, we make heading set of divisors of 12। then 12 is divisible by 1, 12 is divisible by 2, also 12 is divisible by 3 and 4, 6 and 2 itself। these are the divisors of 12। so students, you can see that the elements of this set more than 2, it means 12 is a composite number। 12 is a composite number। Students, now part 3, we have checked 13 is a composite number or prime number। set of divisors of 13. Set of divisors of 13. We make set 13 is divisible by 1 and itself. 13 is not divisible by any number except 1 and 13. So it is a prime number because it has only two divisors. क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 का पार्ट 4 14 सेट ऑफ डिवाइजर्स ऑफ 14. is divisible by 1, 2, 7 and 14. More than two elements of set of divisors. Therefore, it means 14 is a composite number. Students, एक्सरसाइज 2.1 के क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 के 4 पार्ट्स हमने आपको सिखा दिए. जो रिमेनिंग पार्ट्स हैं वो इसी मेथड से आप सेट ऑफ डिवाइजर्स बनाएंगे किसी भी नंबर का. अगर आपके पास सेट ऑफ डिवाइजर्स में दो एलिमेंट्स मिलते हैं तो उसको आप स्टेट करेंगे, उसको लिखेंगे कि ये प्राइम नंबर. अगर आपके पास मोर देन टू डिवाइजर्स है इसका मतलब ये है कि वो कंपोजिट नंबर. इसी मेथड से जो रिमेनिंग पार्ट्स हैं वो आप खुद करें, उनकी प्रैक्टिस करें. अगर कोई क्वेरी हो तो आप कमेंट्स में क्वेश्चन पूछ सकते हैं. तो डियर स्टूडेंट्स, आफ्टर कंप्लीशन ऑफ क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 we start question number 2. The statement is write down all the prime numbers between 20 and 40. यानी 20 and 40 के दरमियान जो भी प्राइम नंबर्स हैं आपने वो लिखने हैं. So we start from 20. First of all 21. 21 is not prime number, so we will skip this. 22 भी प्राइम नंबर नहीं है. 23, 29 जो कंपोजिट नंबर होंगे स्टूडेंट्स वो स्किप करेंगे क्योंकि हमें राइट डाउन द ऑल प्राइम नंबर्स लिखने हैं. 29, 31, 37. These are the prime numbers between 20 and 40 students, which is our required answer. Now part 2, 40 and 60. The prime numbers between 40 and 60. So we start from 41. 41 is a prime number. 43 also prime number. 47 also prime number. 53 prime number. 59 is a prime number. These are the prime numbers between 40 and 60. Number 3, 60 and 80. Between 60 and 80 prime numbers. 61 is a prime number. 67 prime number. 71 is also prime number. 73 is also prime number. 79 also prime number. These are the prime numbers between 60 and 80. Part 4. Solution. 81. 81 we do not start from 81 because 81 is not prime number. We start from 83. 83 is a prime number. 87. After that 89 also prime number. 93 is a prime number. 97 is a prime number. So these are the prime numbers between 80 and 100. So the question number 2 is also completed, and the question number 3, which is based on composite numbers. We write composite numbers. So this is your homework. You have to practice question number 3. Now the lecture is, स्टूडेंट्स हमने क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 तक हमने कंप्लीट कर लिया। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 और 2 हमने कंप्लीट कर लिया। स्टूडेंट्स क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 वो आपका होमवर्क है, इसकी प्रैक्टिस करें आप। और आज का हमारा टॉपिक जो है वो ख़त्म हो चुका है। अगर इस हवाले से कोई क्वेश्चन हो तो आप ग्रुप में या कमेंट्स में सवाल कर सकते हैं। शुक्रिया।